In our rapidly evolving world, students and teachers need more than just pen and paper to be prepared for the future. They need modern tools that are accessible to a diverse group of students that will actually increase engagement and augment their educational journey. PocketLab's mission is to equip educators with the resources you need to make teaching easier and learning more engaging and fun for your students. At PocketLab, we have developed a number of wireless, easy-to-use multifunction sensors that turn learning into an adventure for your students.
Students are able to get instantaneous data, so we're not spending all of our time trying to make the data happen. They're able to do more exploration as a result. We were able to get through things really quickly because the data collection was so seamless. And that gives us so much more time to sit and really look at the data, figure out what are we seeing, what can we learn from this. So many different things are incorporated into one tool.
PocketLab sensors and the accompanying app are designed to save you time and make teaching fun. There's a PocketLab for just about every science topic you teach. Our most popular PocketLab is Voyager. Voyager is a versatile sensor powerhouse packed into a tiny device. It is compact, weighs less than an ounce, and is packed with over 12 functions like motion, light intensity, weather phenomena, and more.
Being able to take a Nerf ball, cut it in half, slap the PocketLab inside of it, rubber band it together, and then kick it and videotape it was extremely powerful.
PocketLab Air is a climate science sensor that can help your students save the planet. Seeing a visual representation of the air in their community increases their understanding and their desire to affect change. PocketLab G-Force is used to learn about Newton's laws, crash cushions, roller coasters, and more. No more need for stopwatches and photo gates or complicated video software. But we all know that cool classroom tools like this usually come with complicated setup plus more work for the teacher. That's why we developed PocketLab Notebook and filled it with hundreds of ready-to-use lessons that require almost no prep. When you and your students are armed with PocketLab sensors, the doorway to limitless educational possibilities opens. PocketLab will ignite their curiosity, foster teamwork, and help them celebrate discovery.